Good morning, students of Standard 9C. I am your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Glory speaking. How are you all? By God's grace, I hope you are all safe in your house. Since you are not able to come to school, we are instructed to take class through this telegram. Okay? Yes. At what time did you get up today? So since the classes have started, get up early morning, pray to the Lord Almighty and start the class. I don't know how many of you prayed in the morning. If you have not prayed, close your eyes now for a few seconds and pray to the Lord that you should listen to the classes, all the subjects regularly, and do the daily work properly and learn well. Okay? Close your eyes. Yes, shall we start now? The topic what we are going to learn in mathematics is the first chapter, set language. This set language was developed by a German mathematician, Georg Cantor. Today, it is used in almost all branches of mathematics. Okay, which are the branches of mathematics? Algebra, coordinate geometry, trigonometry. There are so many branches in mathematics, you all know. Isn't it? So, it plays an important role in all the branches of mathematics. So, first definition is a set. What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is a set? It is nothing but collecting and making as a group, and that objects inside that group should be well-defined. Well-defined means it should be clear. We must be able to tell what is inside the set. Okay? Example, collection of states in our country. Can you tell? Is it possible for us to tell which are the states in our country? Yes. You yourself learning in social studies, isn't it? You know how many states are there in our country. So you can. So it is a well-defined set. Collection of English alphabet. Do you know which are the English alphabet? Yes. From A to Z. So it is well-defined. Are you all able to understand the meaning of set now? Definition of a set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Next, suppose if you have a collection of good students in a class or a collection of good books in a library, those things are not forms a set. Why? A student who is good to one teacher may not be good for the other teacher. He may be good in maths, he may not be good in social. So we cannot, that set is not clear. So we can say that it is not a set. Collection of beautiful flowers in a garden, we can say it is not a set. Are you all able to understand now what is a set? Yes. Next, there are some rules in writing a set. We must use only capital letters to denote the set. A to Z, any letter we can use for representing a set. Next, the elements of the set should be put inside the curly bracket. This bracket we call it as curly bracket. If suppose X is an element of A, then we write like this: X belongs to A. How will you read this? X is an element of A, we can say, or X belongs to A. Next, a set can be represented in three different forms: descriptive form, set builder form, and roster form. What's a descriptive form? Statement, writing in the form of a sentence or in words. If you write, then we can call this as a set. So I have represented this set as A, set of vowels in English alphabet. I have written in the form of a same sentence. Next, set builder form or rule form. That means what? To write in the form of a rule. A is equal to, the same set can be written like this also: set of all X such that The symbol is such that. How will you read this? Set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. If you write in this form, we say that it is a set builder form. Next comes roster form or tabular form. That means what? Taking and writing, listing out the elements and writing in a commas. We call it as roster form. So the same set we can write like this. Which are the vowels of English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. So do you understand what is a set? What are the different forms of writing a set? The same set can be written in 3 different forms. Now shall we get into the exercise to make you understand well? Exercise 1.1, first one, which of the following are sets? Here I didn't write the answers, you are only going to write afterwards. You just copy the notes in a new notebook, children. Whatever I write and put, you write neatly and keep it. That is the homework for you. Okay, if I give, suppose the answers I have not written, you write now, you should write and keep it ready. You can listen to the audio and write. The collection of prime numbers up to 100. Is it a set? Is it well defined? Can you tell clearly which are the prime numbers up to 100? Yes. How? 2 is the first prime number. 1 is not a prime nor a composite. It is only an odd number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, like that it goes on. So it is a set. Yes. Your answer is yes. The collection of rich people in India. We cannot say clearly who is rich, richest. Sometimes we can find out and tell. But rich people, many rich people are there. So it is not defined well. So no. Next, the collection of all rivers in India. Can you collect, children, all the names of the rivers in India? Yes. Tamil Nadu, we can find how many rivers are flowing. Like that in each state, if you find, we can collect. So it is a well defined set. The collection of good hockey players. A player may be good in one time, in one match. The next time he would have, because of him, they would have lost the match. So they may lose the match. So anything can happen, isn't it? So good, bad, dull, tall, all the adjective words, if it comes, we can say that rich, poor, good words comes, we can say that they are not belonging to a set. Next, list the set of letters in roster form. India, it is given. So I represent this as A is equal to I, N, D. Again, I should not be written. Once when one letter is written inside the set bracket, it should not be get repeated. So A. So second, parallelogram. P, A, R, A you should not write again. L you should not repeat. E, L you should not repeat. O, G, R already written. A already written. M. So take and write only once. List the elements in roster form means we are taking and writing. While writing, we should not get the letters repeated. One time only a letter can come. Mississippi, MISP. Only those 4 letters are getting repeated in this river name. Czechoslovakia, it's a country's name. C, H, E, C, H, C, it gets repeated. H, O, S, L, V, A, K, I. So with this, you know how to write in roster form. Next, C, S set A, 0358, B set given, C set given. So set is represented in curly bracket. So all these are which form, can you tell? It is in roster form. That you should know. Among the 3 forms, any one of the form, it will be written, the set. So first they are asking whether it is true or false. 18, how will you read this? Belongs to C. 18 belongs to C. Is it true or false? True. So you are only going to write here T. While copying it in your notebook, you write the answer. True. Like this, you find the answers for others. 6 does not belong to A. 6 does not belong to A. Yes. So this is also true. 14 does not belong to C. No. False. Next, 10 belongs to B. 10 belongs to B set. Yes. True. 5 belongs to B. 5. No, 5 is inside B. So it is not false. 0 belongs to B. Again false. So you know how to write true or false. 3 belongs to, write the correct answers children. 3 belongs to which one? A. 14 belongs to C. 18 belongs to C. 4 belongs to B. With this we stop today. Please write and keep it ready. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.